Hello friend, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Ram Bahadur Basnet.
Okay, give me your introduction please.
Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Ram Bahadur Basnet. I am from Kapilvastu, Nepal. I am studied 12 pass. Thank you.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 24 years old.
Okay, how many members in your family?
Uh, 5 members.
Okay, are you single or married?
Yes, I am single.
Okay, why do you want to go to Romania?
Romania, better future, make money. That's it.
Okay, do you have any other friends or relatives working in Romania?
No, sir.
Okay, do you smoke or drink?
No, sir.
Okay, do you have any medical problem?
No, sir.
Okay, are you ready for doing on-skill jobs in Romania like factory worker, warehouse worker, warehousing, city cleaning, or other indoor or outdoor works? Are you ready?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Show me your hands, please. Okay, are you mental and medically fit?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.